Hello and welcome to My Bookkeeping Hat. As an entrepreneur, you have many hats to wear and skills to master. So grab a coffee and let's get started. Today, we welcome Ellen Gross from Solutions Business Services. Said it right this time. Ellen brings over 20 years bookkeeping experience and 15 years teaching experience to the table. As a self-employed bookkeeper and instructor, Ellen supports small businesses from industries throughout Northern British Columbia. Community Futures has utilized Ellen's skills and expertise for the self-employment program and as a regional business liaison. Hello, Ellen.
Hi, it's great to be here.
Excellent. We are going to jump right in. And today, Ellen, you're sharing the top 3 things a business owner can do to keep their bookkeeper happy and save money.
Perfect. Well, we both like that, so that should work well.
Absolutely.
So the first thing I'm going to say is please use a business bank account for all your business transactions. As your bookkeeper, I really don't want to see your personal transactions. I don't want to know how many subscriptions you have to Playboy or lots of other things that are none of my business. Plus, it will save you money because if you use all of your bank accounts to process all of your business transactions and your personal transactions, that means you have to pay me to reconcile all of your bank accounts and all of your personal transactions. Yes, so very expensive for you, maybe a little embarrassing for me.
That's very fair. You never know where people are shopping.
I have seen stuff you don't want to know about.
So, and all the banks offer some type of a business account. It doesn't need to be anything crazy fancy. It can be just a basic business account.
If you already have a bank account, just if you have 2 bank accounts, just make one for your business transactions. So sole proprietors, a lot of sole proprietors, their bank account is just in their personal name. So if you have multiple bank accounts, then just designate one of those as your business account so that all your business transactions go through that one account. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive, just makes a huge difference on your bookkeeping bill.
Excellent. That makes perfect sense.
Yeah, perfect sense. That was kind of a biggie. The next one is for your all your deposits. You should write explanations on your deposit slip if your deposit slip doesn't already have the information. So for example, check number 1 for $2,000, check number 4 for $5,000. Okay, it gives me no information. I have no idea if they're from customers. I have no idea if they're from you as a business owner. I have no idea if it's a government remittance from the government. Okay, there's no information. So I will need a name of who it's from, a check number, and preferably if it's one of your customers, an invoice number. So then I know who the customer is. I know they're paying for an invoice. If it says CRA, I know it's from the government. So if it says CRA GST, I know it's a GST refund. If it says CRA corporate tax, I know it's a corporate tax refund. If it says province of BC, then I know it has something to do with either province of BC corporate tax or province of BC provincial sales tax. So otherwise what happens is I get this deposit slip. I can't do anything with it because I don't have enough information to apply it. So I have to phone you and then I have to wait until you get me the information back. And then you have to take time out to go look for it, right? So if you just, when you're making your deposit slips, if you just write that stuff on there, it takes like 1 second, like no kidding. And then when I get all the information, I can just fly through the books and I don't have to go, oh, okay, well, I can't do anything more now until I get information back for you. That adds to your bookkeeping bill as well.
Right.
And it holds your books up. So we do also have deadlines to meet. So if it takes me too long, then we'll miss the deadline, right?
That makes perfect sense.
Cool.
And number 3.
Number 3, please do not fold or highlight receipts. Trust me, this will also make both of us very happy in the long run. If I have to unfold receipts who have been folded into half-inch squares, and I have had to do this, it is very, very time consuming. You will not like the bookkeeping bill you get because it takes forever to unfold all these receipts so that I can see what's in them. So pieces of paper, I know when people pack receipts in their pockets, they like to fold them up so they fit nicely in their wallet or in their pocket. But if you do that, please unfold them when you give it to me, because it's very time consuming to do that. So it can add probably a third to a half more time to your bookkeeping bill.
Oh,
if I
wow.
have to sit and unfold all those receipts. Yes. And when you highlight them, a lot of those receipts will disappear. The chemicals in the highlighter react with the ink on the receipt, and it will magically disappear. So don't highlight any information on those receipts either, because once that's done, you have no information as to what you purchased. And lots of times to get that specific receipt back is not going to be possible. So because they pop it out of a till. So don't highlight. If you need to put information or you want something that you want me to notice, you can circle it with a regular pen, not a highlighter. Or you can write a note at the bottom. You can put stars beside it. Please note, this is what this was for, but please don't highlight receipts.
Perfect. All sounds very easy to do.
It's all easy. We are both much richer and happier at the end of the day for just those 3 little tips. So I do have a couple more. I will give you a PDF form that you can put on the website.
Excellent.
It's just my bookkeeping information list with tips on it. So if
wonderful.
There, you can have a look at the whole list.
Excellent. Fantastic. So we will include that on the website where you'll be able to download them. And of course, if you have any questions at all, you can reach out to Ellen at solutionsbc1@gmail. It'll be there somewhere. It'll be here for you. Please reach out to Ellen if you have any questions at all, and she'll be happy to help you. Excellent. Thank you so much, Ellen. Really great to see you again. Take care, everybody.